everybody, welcome to our Fodsports official YouTube channel. Today we share with you the 2020 newest motorcycle communication Fodsports FX30C. Let's take a look at the appearance in the package. Now this is the main unit. Let's take a look around. It's a special one. This is the camera. This is the camera button. This is the video recorder button. Through these two one is the voice increase and voice down button. This is intercom button. This is the LED light and the function button. This one is the use manual with English version and Japanese version. This is the headphone and pad. We can install it like this. It's easy to install and upload it. The USB cable. Let's take a look at the tab. This one is a soft mic. The hard mic. These are the Velcros and clips.